In this video, I'm going to be doing a Visible wireless review, and this actually gives you unlimited data at a budget-friendly price. Let me go over that. So, this is basically a strong contender in the budget phone plan market, offering unlimited data on Verizon's network at an affordable price. But let's go over whether it's the right choice for you, because they do have two plans. One is the Visible base plan at $25 a month. You get unlimited talk, text, and data, subject to, the prioritization, unlimited hotspot, which is capped though at 5 Mbps, and calling to Mexico and Canada. And they also have a Visible Plus plan, which is $45 a month, adds you 50 gigabytes of guaranteed high-speed data, international calling to 30 plus countries, a 5G ultra wideband access, and a Verizon home internet discount. Now, let's go over the coverage and performance, okay? Visible operates on a Verizon's, network, meaning you get widespread 4G, LTE, and 5G coverage. So in most cases, data speeds are reliable, okay? But, the base plan users may experience slowdowns in congested areas. So the test here in New York City showed that there's solid speeds for streaming and social media, though video calls on 4G were occasionally choppy. And if you go over setup and customer support, signing up is very, very easy with the eSIM activation, and you can bring your own device. However, customer support is limited with a basic help center and chat assistant, falling short compared to competitors like Mint Mobile, right? So, should you get Visible? It depends. If it's great for heavy data users who are looking for affordable, unlimited plans on Verizon's network, but it's not ideal for light data users who may find cheap alternatives like Mint Mobile or Tello. So if you want a solid coverage though, with unlimited data at a low price, Visible is worth considering. Just be mindful of the possible, speed slowdowns. So let me know if you will be trying it out. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. Make sure you smash that like button as well as subscribe to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.